How to remove or disable the restricted mode on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the TikTok application and make sure you're logged into your account. Now, when you're on a restricted mode, you'll be able to see on the top of the screen, it shows restricted mode. So if you want to disable it, simply tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner and then settings and privacy. Now this will land us to settings and privacy. Just simply scroll down and under the category of the content and display, you can see the option of content preferences. So just tap on content preferences. And as you do that, here you can see the option of restricted mode. So just tap on it. And as you tap on it, you can see that it's toggled on or enabled. So just tap on turn off. And as you tap on turn off, tap on submit. And here you just have to enter the passcode to turn off this restricted mode. So as you do that, you'll be able to remove or disable the restricted mode on TikTok. So thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.